Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we did get a red bar yesterday, but we are still pretty much in the channel. Look at the oscillators. Oscillators are looking like they're starting to cross over, and once they've crossed over and dropped below the 80, I would assume that we're going to get a bit of a move to the downside. So right now we are playing a waiting game, and you can see buyers still coming in off here. Trend is still up technically. We are just bottom of channel at the moment. Oscillators grouped down to a buying area on the 3 hour. And then if we look at the hour, which is where we want to be trading, yesterday was a pretty strong move down, broke through the 155 and then came back to test it. So you can see we're just hovering on the 155 at the moment. Yeah, so it's 155 EMA. Look at my oscillators getting to a position to roll over again for a second move to the downside. Second move to the downside is going to break this channel. And bear in mind, we have a pretty big magnet down here being a daily gap. That's at 15,437. And there are a few other gaps all the way down. There's one down there, right here. And in amongst this leg here, there are also 15 and 5 minute gaps as well, and so all of those are going to be magnets. But I suspect by the looks of things, if we do clear the lows of yesterday, which is 15,500, then we are looking for 15,437, and then we're looking for 15,355. That's still not, well, actually it is, that is the first down point of the channel. So that would be the channel break target. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. It does look like it's going to be drifting lower, all sideways at the moment. So we do need to clear these two levels here though. So we need to clear this level to downside. That's 15,563. You break down, retest, carry on moving. Then we need to take out the low of yesterday. It's a big pin bar, so good chance it's going to be tested. And if that happens, then obviously we've got these levels to the downside. Me personally, I'm still sitting on the sidelines. I'll wait for the data to come out and see what kind of catalyst we've got. Just switching to 15 minute, you can see at the open you had the crossover, the moving averages, and then the drift lower. A bit of a double bottom here and a break above. You can see we've sort of closed on the neckline of the double bottom, so could also still move to the upside and come and test some of these levels first before moving down. So yeah, that's why I say these two levels here are critical, 15,611 and 15,563. We need a break of those. Once the downside, I think you will get some momentum to the downside just to come and pick up these gaps below. But that's about it that I can see at the moment. And that may be driven by the Euro USD, depending on what happens with the data today. Well, what happens with the Dow Jones as well. This will follow suit. Anyway, hope it helps. I'm sit on hands still. I'm not really interested in anything at the moment. The only thing I'll be doing is looking at the British pound pairs at the moment, but just a quick scalp on the London breakout strategy with them. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.